Hello everybody, welcome back to All Things Jazzy. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and give this video a thumbs up. Now in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I made this peach cobbler cake from cake mix. Just jazzed it up a bit, spiced it up. So yummy. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I started off by melting a half a cup of butter. And I poured the butter into the bottom of the pan, and then I just sprinkled brown sugar around on top of the butter until I seen the butter turn into a dark color. Okay, so next I used some cinnamon, and I went ahead and just sprinkled the cinnamon around, and I also used some allspice and I sprinkled that around as well. And I just used the fork just to kind of just go through it. Alright, this is from a can of peaches. I use 1 can of peaches. You can use more or less if you like. And I drained them, and then I just added those on top as well. And I'm not going to add the full can because I'm going to save some for my batter. Alright, so using a white cake mix, you can use whatever kind you have. All I had in the cabinet was Ready Crocker. We wanted a cake, so I said, yeah, let's do it. So I'm pouring a whole package of pudding mix in here. This is some vanilla pudding mix. We're going to add what's needed from the cake mix, so you just follow the directions on the cake mix after you add the pudding mix. Alright, so I'm using some cooking nib for flavoring, and also I use a splash of vanilla as well. And now I'm just going to chop the rest of these peaches up into smaller pieces, and I'm going to go ahead and add them to the cake mix. I am stirring with a whisk, okay, just to be sure not to over mix at all, so just stir it into everything as well combined.